Are you a WAEC candidate for this year? You just finished writing chemistry. Here is a rundown of the 50 OBJ. I'm going to break them down and give the accurate answers. So follow as I solve from number 1 to 50. Number 1 says, which of the following gases could be collected by downward displacement of air? Chlorine, hydrogen, hydrogen chloride, sulfur oxide. First of all, we need to understand the meaning of downward displacement of air. There are two ways you can collect gas based on density. One, like this. Two, like this. Here, the gas is collected from delivery tube and it goes down into a container. As it is going down, air is moving up. This is the gas coming down. Air moves up, and this is called upward displacement of air. But here, as the gas goes up, air comes down. Air comes down as the gas goes up. As air comes down, we call this downward displacement of air. Why must gas displace air down? The gases collected by downward displacement of air must be lighter than air. Why the ones that goes down and air goes up? The ones that go down and air goes up must be heavier than air, So, the question is saying which of the gases could be collected by downward displacement of air, which means air is going down and the gas going up. The characteristics of such a gas is that it must be lighter than air. How do we know these gases? Which one is lighter than air? Forget about air. Consider the lightest gas here. The gas that is lightest. Lighter than every other gas. How do we do that? Chlorine, this is the formula. You consider the molecular weight of chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. You multiply by 2. You will get 71 grams per mole. Hydrogen, H2, the atomic mass is 1 times 2. You get 2 grams per mole. Hydrogen chloride, hydrogen is 1 plus chlorine 35.5. You get 36.5 grams per mole. Sulfur oxide, sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 16 times 2. You have 32 plus 32, and that is 64 grams per mole. Based on weight, which one is the lightest? That is hydrogen. And hydrogen is the answer.